Tariffs are different from assigned import quotas in that tariffs will blank. So in this question, we're asked to differentiate between tariffs and assigned import quotas. So quotas are essentially limits on the number of goods that can be imported into a country, and tariffs are an increase in price of imported goods. So option choice A says restrict imports. This is incorrect because quotas restrict imports to a certain amount and tariffs do as well. This is because tariffs increase the price of those imported goods, meaning that less of those goods will be imported, so they also restrict imports as well. So because both tariffs and assigned import quotas restrict imports, A is incorrect. B. Increase the price of imported goods. This is incorrect because quotas also increase the price of imported goods, and we can determine this by looking at a supply and demand curve, where the x-axis represents price and the y-axis represents price, and the x-axis represents quantity. Now, if you draw the two sloping supply and demand curves, we can see that because there's less supply, which is what a quota does, limiting the supply of the imported goods, then this leads to a higher price. And because of this, the quotas will increase the price of imported goods, and tariffs already increase the price of imported goods by increasing the price as they're being imported. So, B is also incorrect. C. Benefit domestic consumers of imported goods. This is incorrect because neither tariffs nor quotas benefit domestic consumers. They do benefit domestic producers, though, so C is incorrect. D. Hurt domestic producers of goods facing import competition. This is incorrect because both tariffs and quotas help domestic producers. They don't hurt domestic producers. So D is incorrect. E. Generate additional revenue for the domestic government. This seems to be the correct answer because quotas don't generate revenue for the government while tariffs do, because the money generated from tariffs goes to the government, whereas no money is generated from quotas. So E is the correct answer.